Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
They are the #1 brand of blender direct to consumer, but the innovations have been continuing at BlendJet. The portable BlendJet 2 can last for more than 2 dozen blends on a charge via USB-C. Fans have been taking it everywhere. But if I had one complaint, it was the capacity wasn't always big enough. CEO Ryan Pamplin has been listening to his customers.
There's this larger jar that we've added, which people love, because now if you're going to the gym and you really want that extra couple of ounces going from 16 to 20, you can just screw this right on.
Need even more? There's also an XL jar that holds 32 ounces, opening the door to all kinds of new uses and recipes. You'll find lots of new BlendJet 2 designs as well, and stay tuned, there's more to come.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.